So this is a tonfa. We are using two. Usually in many countries, police officers have police batons and they are just one of these tonfas. They're usually made out of rubber. This is wood. The length of a tonfa should be longer than your elbow. So can you see? It's longer than my elbow. And this part should be not too long, but as long so when you open your fingers like this, you shouldn't be able to reach it, okay? And the part that you're holding, it should be as big so you can actually have a good grip on it. What we're going to practice now is how to do some basic movements, meaning have a tonfa, and this is a weapon for you to elongate a punch, for example. So this is a punch, but your punch goes only this way. But with this, it goes longer because of the wood. So you're elongating it. And if you do this, for example, like 1/3, your punch is already much longer. So we'll do this. So we're gonna do punch and back. Punch, back. Other one. Punch, back. Punch, back. Punch, back. Punch, back. Very good. Now we're gonna do back punch like this. So I'm just gonna do the moving out. You let the grip go, and you also twist the tonfa to do this. So from here, do this. Then out, you let the grip go, turn, 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 and then it's gonna stop here, and you have to hold on to it again. So out, yeah, out, out, out. So the other side, out, back, out, back. Just let it go. Very good. I mean, let it go, but don't let it, fly away. So hold again here. So out, and while you're going out, you let the grip go, twist it here, and you get the grip again at the end. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Lift the front. 1, 2, full flip. 3, 4, 5. Again, this is the same. Let the grip go. Let it go, let it go, let it go. And do a full turn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Let's do it to the other side. So push it out, let the grip go, twist the whole tonfa, and then hold it again here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The trick is that when you do the punch, the easiest way to have this whole twist, if your tonfa is horizontal to the floor like this, then it's easy to lose the grip, do the twist, and then hold on to it again. If you are doing like this, it's much more difficult. So you have to imagine that you are in a diagram, so there's an X and a Y, and you just have to keep moving on those diagrams. I don't know what's called in English, I'm sorry. So you move forward, so you move horizontally, and you move vertically. So that's the easiest thing if you have tonfa. The part that you're holding is horizontal, so it's easier to do anything. And if it's vertical, like this, it's much easier to do anything. Of course, there are ways when we're doing a little bit not vertical and not horizontal, but like a, I don't know what it's called, sorry. So when you're doing like a X, like this, and then you're doing a plus sign like this. So this is what we are doing. We are doing the plus sign, so the vertical is like this, and then the horizontal, which is this. So 1, 2, and then for a punch or like a twist, you can move to the side. You could be in an X pose. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Again, 1, 2. Hold on to the tonfa, so when you turn, let it go, let it go, let the grip go. It turns, and then hold on to it again. The strongest part is when it actually does this. If you can hear it, I'm not sure if the mic is going to pick it up. Can you hear it? So it has a pretty loud, when it actually touches the air, and you can do it. So you go inside and outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside. It's very important. You have to open your whole body, and when you open your arm, you shouldn't do it like this because then you're gonna hit yourself and it's gonna hurt. So don't do that. So what you need to do is open and let the grip go. Do the thing, get back. Again, open, let it go, let it go, let it go, and back. Same with this side. Open, let it go, with a twist, and back. From outside to inside, open, let it go, and then back. So this looks like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is very good because we are practicing with both hands. So the most important thing is that you have to figure out how to work with both hands. So you can't just practice with right hand, you have to use both. It's very good for your brain as well because it's already very difficult to do this, but when you have to do it with not the primary hand, if you're right-handed, then your right hand is the primary. If you're left-handed, then your primary hand is the left hand. So that should be easier, but the whole thing is to make sure that you know it with both. So when you know how to do this twist, then you can try to make it even faster. So 1, 2, very fast. 1, 2. This is a 360. 1, 2. Now we're gonna try and do 540. So 1, 2. Let it go. Out. Do a full twist and half more. And then back. So 1, 2. This is more difficult because you have to actually not stop it. And again, 1, 2. You can do it from the other side. 1, 2. So a whole circle plus a half. So 1, 2. And you have to find the way you actually have a grip on it in the middle. So 1, 2. But my hands are getting very sticky. It's wet because of the workout. After a while, it's very hard to twist the tonfa because your hands are gonna get wet and it's not that easy to move it down. Okay. Whew. That means that you're working hard, so that's good. First, I'm gonna put on my gloves. If you have at home, it's very good. Just put it on. It's good for practice. Now I have to be careful not to drop it. So this is also a good practice so you feel tonfa. Just try to move it forward. How does it feel? Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And try to go backwards. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. This is always the base. Because from here, you do a punch, you do a turning punch, and you do this, and do that, You do both hands, get into a defensive pose, like this, like that. Can you see? This has to be always long and hold on to it. Don't let it be like here. It's not good. This is like your forearm, okay? So hold on to it. Again, this is a good defense. You have one up and you have one here. So one can always go out. One can do the protection, other can do an attack. So again, you do the frontal, you have to do front. And I can catch here, or I'll go behind you. Here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is good for you to practice. Now hit yourself. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Other side. One arm up and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Very good. Gonna go back, back. Let's see, back, back. So somebody behind. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Always look behind yourself. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now do a full circle. 1, and behind you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Let's do it the other side. So back. 1, 2. It's half a circle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. 10. Very good. Now do a full circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Okay, now we're gonna do one up, back, and down. Okay, so one, back, down. Again. One back here, and then do a twist and go lower. This is good against the groin area. So go up, back, down. Again. Back. Leave it. Do a turn, twist, go back, and back to the middle. One goes up, down, and down. And back up. Up, get back to base, go down, back to base. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now we're going to do front punch and back punch, and up and down, up and down. So if you have a tonfa at home, this might be a good time to practice. Put your gloves on if your palm got sweaty, that's what I did, and use both arms. Do both and try to do the combinations that I showed you. I'm sure that you can practice this at home. Don't need much space. Be careful where you are, so don't wanna knock the windows out because that wouldn't be very good right now. So just try to practice somewhere where even if you drop your tonfa, you're not gonna hurt anyone or anything, okay? So be careful and try to do the combinations, and we're gonna get back to this and we're gonna keep doing more. It's very fun. I like the Tonfa. I think it's a good weapon. I think it's all good practice. It's very easy to practice at home, and maybe we can practice some other weapons as well in the future. I'm not sure if everybody has a Tonfa at home because it's not that common thing, but if you do and enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I hope that you like this and see you in the next one.